You'll build a simple short program that allows you to send secret messages to your colleagues or friends. Although this isn't the most practical example, it combines several of the concepts we've learned in this class. It's also hopefully a fun application. Start by navigating to repl.it/languages/python3. You should then see a screen just like this one. In this lesson, we'll encrypt our messages using an algorithm called a Caesar cipher. Back to the slides. What is a Caesar cipher? The Caesar cipher works by mapping each letter to another letter. In particular, each letter is mapped to another letter that comes 13 letters later. A is mapped to N, B is mapped to O, C is to P, and so on and so forth. But here's the interesting part. Since there are 26 letters in the alphabet, this also means that if we apply the Caesar cipher twice to a piece of text, you get back the original text. An A is mapped to an N, and then that N is mapped straight back to an A. The Python dictionary for this mapping can be tedious to write out, so I've already generated the dictionary at the URL above. Go ahead and navigate to the URL and copy all that code on that page. Once you've copied that code, go ahead and navigate back to your code. On this page, go ahead and start by pasting the mapping that you had just copied at the very top of the file. This defines a dictionary, like we covered in one of the earlier lessons, with the variable name mapping. Then, we're going to create a function called cipher, which will compute the secret message. This function takes in one argument, which is the original text. So here we have function name cipher and one argument, original. Start with empty text for the secret message. We'll then add one character at a time to this piece of text. Iterate over each letter in the original piece of text. For letter in original, don't forget your colon as usual. We're going to go ahead and uppercase the current letter, as our mapping only supports uppercase letters. So let's type in letter equals to letter.upper. Now let's look up the new letter that this old letter is supposed to correspond to. So new letter is equal to mapping of the old letter. Finally, add the new letter to the text. Text is equal to text plus the new letter. Finally, return the cipher text. Hit enter, hit backspace once, and return text. Then hit enter and hit backspace so that you have no more leading space. Let's go ahead and ask the user for text to encrypt. Type in text equals input of text or secret. Once we've got the user inputted text, go ahead and run the cipher function. So result is equal to cipher of text. This will run the cipher on the user inputted text. Finally, print the result. And that completes the program. Go ahead and hit run. Type in whatever text that you would like to encode. Let's go ahead and type in hello. Then copy this, hit run again, and paste. Hit enter, and your message will be sent back to you. You'll see that your secret message has been successfully decoded. Now feel free to encrypt any secret message that you want. If you'd like to access and download these slides or view completed code for the example in this lesson, visit this URL. This concludes our final example. Have fun with your program. Encode a secret message and send that cipher to your friends or your colleagues. Don't give away the message though. They'll have to take this class to figure out the secret. Congratulations on learning so much and building so many tools. In the next and final lesson, we'll discuss next steps beyond this course.